Let's move on to crowd effects. I think this is a nice little addition you can always use when you want to add energy to your track, to give it a live element, to make it sound like it's being played at a concert or something like that. So let's go ahead and, I believe there's a bunch in Kashmir. Just search for crowd here. Here we go. I just want a crowd clap though. Or just a crowd roar too is good. Okay, so that one's good. So this is why I like to use them. You put it in a really, really low volume. You don't want to make it sound too cheesy and obvious. So we're going to put it right at the chorus at a nice low volume and see what we get. And now you can already hear the difference in the track. It's got like a lot more of a cohesive sound. Like everything sounds put together, at least just from my ear, because I'm probably the one creating the track. But you know, with just these little impacts and everything, you can see why effects are so important in a production. It just adds that little bit of extra spice that you need at the end to make everything sound fully complete and ready to go. So let's go ahead and add these crowd effects at the second drop as well. I believe it's right there. Now let's try. Okay, now while we're in the crowd effect mindset, let's add some crowd claps. And I believe those are up here under drum enhancers. Let's try to see if it's in Kashmir 2, stadium loops. That one could work. There's nothing in Kashmir 1. So let's use that one. That one could work. Make a new track below here. Keep the color coding the same. Okay. And these are probably already at 128. Just want to grab a section of it to use as just a layer to have underneath the drop. Now this could replace this whole crowd section right here. Check if it lines up with the beat. Yeah, it does. Okay, so let's see how it sounds with the whole track. Okay, I kind of like that better than the actual crowd burst, but that doesn't mean we have to get rid of it. We can actually just see how it works with something else. All right, so the crowd clap wins. I think that's better to use. Fade you out just to give room to the fill. And then we can just repeat this like that. Okay, so let's do a couple of more adjustments here. Okay, so that's good for claps, crowd impacts, and everything. We have to make some risers now.